In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Gmail storage in a few simple steps. First, let's determine how much storage space you're currently using. Start by navigating to https://1.google.com storage. Once you arrive at the page, you'll see a breakdown of your total 15 GB of free space, showing how it's distributed across Gmail, Google Drive, and Photos. Take a moment to assess your usage. If you find that you're approaching the storage limit, it's time to consider upgrading. Simply click on Get More Storage to proceed further. Now that we've checked your storage, let's explore the Google One plans available. Google One offers a variety of plans to suit different needs. Remember, prices might vary slightly depending on your region, but here's a general overview. For the basic plan, you'll get 100 GB of additional storage for approximately $1.99 per month. This package not only gives you the storage, but also grants access to expert support. If you need a bit more, the standard plan offers 200 GB for around $2.99 monthly. With this, you can add family members and enjoy a VPN in select regions. The premium plan is perfect for heavier users, offering 2 TB of storage for $9.99 monthly, plus advanced features like Gemini and a dark web report. New for 2025, the Ultra plan offers 5 TB TAPs or more, starting at $24.99 per month, along with a 20% discount on Play Store purchases and access to advanced AI tools. After choosing the plan that best fits your needs, it's time to subscribe. Head back over to the Google One storage page and click Upgrade or Get More Storage. Select the plan you desire. From there, you'll be prompted to add a payment method. Rest assured, Google accepts various payment methods such as credit or debit cards, Gcash, PayPal, or your Google Play balance. Once you've entered your payment information, tap Subscribe or Start Plan to complete your purchase. The storage upgrades take effect immediately, providing additional space across Gmail, Drive, and Photos. Finally, if you ever need to manage your plan, it's straightforward to do so. Visit https://1.google.com/settings to access all your settings. From here, you can easily cancel your plan, change to a different one, or add up to 5 family members. Remember, even if you cancel, your storage remains active until the end of your billing cycle, so you won't lose access right away. There you have it, a straightforward guide to buying Gmail storage. With this new knowledge, you can confidently manage your data and enjoy the benefits of expanded storage through Google One. Thank you for tuning in, and happy organizing!